inspiration sa lahat, lalong-lalo na po sa mga may kapansanan. Pangkaraniwang musicians lang din po kami, pero alam po namin mayroon pong laman yung musika namin. Kaya po nating maging world-class, lalo man o matalo. At least po naging part po kami sa history ng Pilipinas Got Talent. And we are so proud na buong mundo po napapanood po kami.
Yes, we have here Mommy
Laura, tama po.
Laura.
Mommy, ano po ang mensahe nyo para kay Kay na magpa-perform na po sila on stage?
Okay, Ezra Band, you pursued your dreams, you continue to believe despite all the difficulties, and that fight is getting tougher this time, so it's time to level up, have faith in Him.
Thank you very much po, Mommy. Ngayon naman, tingnan at pakinggan nyo na lang sila dahil ito, ang keyboardist pa lang, nakakabilib na.
Eh, pasok natin dyan ang kanilang percussionist, ang guitarist na talaga naman bumubuo sa perfect acoustic sound nila, di ba, Lolo?
That is right. At syempre, ang vocalist nila na for the first time, kakanta ng isang kanta na originally sung by a female. Aba, aba, aba.
Well, please welcome from Davao, Nor, Jester, John, and Kay, the Ezra Band.
It's true. It's nothing like me and you. Not alone. Tell me you feel it too. 'Cause I will run away. I will run away. Yeah, yeah. I will run away.
The Ezra Band!
Ezra.
Good evening, Ezra Band. Samahan naman kami dito, please. Wow.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening,
Diyan ang
guys.
Ezra Bergs at Ezra Lights natin. Good evening, Ezra Band. Kay, may tanong ako para sa iyo. Okay? Pwede mo ba ipakita sa amin example lang kung gaano kaliit o kalaki yung pinaperforman nyo, tinutugtugan nyo dun sa inyo? Yung tinutugtugan nyo, kung gaano kaliit yung stage? Ito lang. Imaginein mo, nandito tayo sa Araneta Coliseum. What if one day magsabi sila, concert ng Ezra Band dito sa Araneta Coliseum? Oh, anong masasabi natin?
Sisigaw po siguro. Salamat.
Tanungin natin ang Ezra Lights at Ezra Bergs. Kaya niyo bang punuin ang Araneta Coliseum? Wow. Okay, on that note, the result from the judges.
Friendship tayong dalawa, kahit ayaw natin banggitin yung pangalan ni Nor, banggitin na natin ngayon.
Sige.
Kasi, Nor, napakagaling mo. Naluha talaga ako. Because ang laki-laki ng hinihinging participation ng keyboard sa kantang yan, and you outdid yourself. You are really amazing, Nor. Mabuhay ka.
Nessa.
Kahit hirap akong banggitin yung Nor kasi magi kami. Nor, para sa akin ay simbolo ka ng katatagan. At kayo ay tumatak sa sambayanan at para sa akin, kayo ang coolest band in the land.
Sir FMG.
You have come a long way. And tonight, I think, is the best performance that you have done.
Thank you very much, judges. Thank you. Ngayon, kung gusto niyo na ang Ezra Band ang maging kauna-unahang grand winner ng Pilipinas Got Talent, all you have to do is remember PGT space Ezra.
Again, that's PGT space EZRA. Pero mamaya pa po mabubuksan ang mga voting lines namin. So chill muna kayo. Take a
Chill
chill
muna, little
pill,
one.
di ba?
Take a chill pill.
Thank you guys. Ezra, thank you very much. Maraming salamat. We'll see you.
Thank you
Good
very
luck.
much, Ezra Band. We'll see you later on. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Eto na. I must say, I am very excited dahil coming up next, ang magkakapatid na talaga namang mapapatumbling ka sa galing nila.
That's right. The Velasco brothers are ready to jump, roll, dance, hop, spin at marami pang iba sa pagbabalik ng
Pilipinas Got Talent.